Hey boys and girls, yesterday we learned about our 2D flat shapes, our circles, our triangles, squares, and rectangles. Today I'm going to introduce you to our 3D shapes. They're called solid shapes. The first shape I'm going to introduce you to is called a cube. A cube is like a box or a dice. It has 6 flat faces. There are 6 of them. Another way I remember the word cube is an ice cube. The next shape is called a cone, like an ice cream cone. A cone has a flat face, like a circle, and it does look like an ice cream cone or a party hat. This is called a cone. Say cone. Good job. The next shape is called a cylinder. Here's a cylinder. It has a curved face with 2 circle ends. 1, 2. Just like a can of Coke or green beans or a battery. Can you say cylinder? Good job, cylinder. Our next shape is called a sphere. A sphere is like a ball, an orange, an apple. Its face is also curved. It can roll. Can you say sphere? Awesome. And my last shape I'm going to introduce you to is a pyramid. A pyramid has a square base. Remember our square we learned yesterday. And it has 4 triangles. Triangles, remember, have 3 sides. And there's 4 of them on the pyramid. Just like a slice of cheese, like at the top, or a slice of watermelon. Can you say pyramid? Awesome. Now let's go back and review. The first shape is a cube. Good job. I remember cube. Looks like a box or an ice cube you put in your drink, or a dice. The next one is called what? Do you remember? I remember it because it looks like an ice cream cone. A cone. Awesome. My next shape is a cylinder. Cylinder looks like a can of Coke or green beans. Say cylinder. Good job. Now what's this shape called? It looks like a ball or an apple, same shape, or an orange. A sphere. Can you say sphere? Awesome. And the last one I taught you is a pyramid. Say pyramid. Good job. Remember our pyramid has a square as the bottom, the base, and 4 triangular faces. Say pyramid. Now, I know these words are some hard words, but the more we practice, the more we will know what the names of these shapes are. I want you to look at this picture and point to the cylinder. Remember, a cylinder looks like a can of Coke or green beans. That's right, the purple shape is the cylinder. Let's look at the next one. Point to the cone. Now look at these 2 shapes. Now we just said the purple shape is the cylinder, so I'm guessing the green shape looks like an ice cream cone is the cone. Good job. Point to the sphere. Oh, let's look at those 2 shapes. Now, here's my hint to you. A sphere looks like a ball. Can you find the shape that looks like a ball? Good job. It's the red sphere. Point to the pyramid. Now let's look at those shapes. There's one that looks like a ball, so we know that's called a sphere. So the yellow shape must be the pyramid. Remember, a pyramid has a triangular face. Now let's look at these 2. Point to the cone. Now I've already asked you this one before. Which one's the cone? Remember, an ice cream cone. That's right, it's the green shape. So if this is a cone, what is this blue shape over here? Look at it. It looks like a box or an ice cube. So is it called a cube? That's right, the blue shape is a cube. Good job, boys and girls. So we've learned about our 2D shapes And today you learned about your 3D shapes. In your activity, you're going to be able to sort which shapes are 3D and which shapes are 2D. Good